What's going on today, George?
Looks like we're fixing a car.
Oh, is it broken?
Sort of. I think we're gonna replace the headlights.
Headlights? What do they do?
They help you see at night. Right now it's pretty bad. You can barely see anything.
Oh, I like that. You don't need glasses, do you?
Not right now, but we'll wait a couple of years and see how that goes.
Okay.
Well, I guess we gotta take this apart. It's one of those newfangled cars. We gotta take it all apart.
What are those things there, George?
I don't know. I thought they came with the car.
Oh, they look like... I don't know what do you think that is? I think this bit here goes into your ear, maybe.
Oh, yeah. Check it out.
Oh yeah. Can you hear it?
I can...
Oh, I think we got that one right. We're on the right track here.
We are. All right, let's get to fixing this car.
Okay, let's go do something.
Whoa, Lena, what happened?
Yeah, sure. I don't know. It looked like the front of the car fell off.
Yeah, well...
Oh, no.
I must have sneezed when I was using the power tool and it just kind of fell off.
Well, I don't know what's going on there.
Well, let's get to it. Let's work on this car some more.
I pushed the button and nothing's happening.
All right, Lena, I'm gonna turn the lights on. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, Lena, I'm gonna turn the lights on.
Okay.
How do they look now?
Well, do I have to go up to the front of the car to look at them? So, George, where do I look to see if the lights are on?
Go look at the front, okay? Go look at the front and I'll turn the lights on.
Which way is the front
The
of the
front
car?
is that way,
Oh,
Lena.
the front is that way. Okay, let me go up there. Oh, I see something. Is that the bright thing up front there, George?
Yeah, Lena, do you see it?
Oh, I see something. It's flashing.
Whoa, cool.
Is that good? Oh, I think we got it.
Yeah, woohoo.
Oh, but it's a big... Whoa, whoa. Ah, making me crazy up here, George. But look at the front of the car. It's all a big mess.
We'll fix it soon.
George, where are you? There you are. Yeah, okay, I see you there, George. Yeah.
Hey, you didn't warn me about this.
Oh, you look just fine, George.
Well, Lena, look at this.
Yeah, sure, it looks like the lights are on. Is that
It
the
sure
good thing?
does, doesn't it? Wow, we worked hard.
We did, and look, all the bits are on there, it looks like.
Whoa, yeah.
How did we do that?
We had some tools, right?
Yeah, tools.
Yeah, we used tools and we did screwdrivers and
screwdrivers.
Banging on stuff and pulling the bumper.
I'm sure glad you knew what you were doing, George.
Well, I thought you knew what you were doing.
No, I don't got no idea what I'm doing.
Well,
I'm a girl. I don't have to know what
hey,
I'm
we
doing.
don't play into gender stereotypes like that.
What?
Yeah.
What's that?
That girls can do what they want.
Oh,
Yeah.
can they?
Yeah, they
I'm
can fix
excited
cars.
about that. Yeah, sure.
That's for another video.
Okay, we'll do that another
Okay.
time. But right now, we got lights.
Yeah.
Look at those lights.
We can drive at night now.
Oh, hooray.
Yay.
Okay, thanks for watching,
Thanks,
everybody.
bye.
Bye.